We have a special opportunity this time again to be with one of the masters of the music. Everybody knows this gentleman. He's been around for so many years. And one of the most important personalities of the music. May I ask you something? How do you feel about hearing so much positive things about what you're doing? So much compliments. The genius, the master.
You mean now they're doing it? Now. It doesn't bother me because, I didn't start off to play music for that reason, to, like be in a contest or something like the best this and the best that. I just take it. I accept it. I used to didn't pay it any mind, but now since there are 5 books out on me, all of them going to be wrong.
Except the ones you're going to do.
Black people, yeah.
I swear to God, it sound like everything is supposed to.
Yeah, right now I want everyone to know, say, all the top celebrities in the era, saying,
okay,
we getting dope. Black people,
true indeed.
Yeah, behold, a rap legend.
True indeed.
Yeah, we getting dope.
Yeah.
Black people, behold.
Let's get it started like this. Okay.
Black people,
glorious, like when the same one in the coupe was in front to star with us, or when the same one on the loops who you was applauding when you was looping recording. Now you and dude in the garden, and according to the low and behold, who would have thought that it's all high cools, but all the shooters supporting it all. It's like knowing a lawyer going to court with us, get his work from the son of the judge, and he be on tour with us. All it's knowing that if you down to lift up the floor with us, then you don't gotta spin on this Henny to come and pour with us. The theme to the chorus, as sweet as how you thought it. Following Jeeps, that's followed by D's and a Taurus. Shout to my block and all of the fiends will be across it. And the new Goldilocks bitches screaming over porridge. You couldn't take the Brooklyn out of me if you was offered. Burnt these blocks, shit, you could keep them if you wanted. If tomorrow should get up away from me before the morning, my tomb I read, he did it from the peas to the coffin. Right? Untucking what no one could ever fuck with, but knowing that the way it was folded is how it snuck in. Brother moves on bow tie, know the way I float mine. You know Sky, know I'm lo-fi, meet so-si. A to Z, I'm faithfully the one that they quote by. Pay to leave, I may indeed pen this in coke eye. Pay to live, may indeed pen this in coke eye. The way it weaves, you may just need to bring the rope by. Told West that one of us would be multi before we both die. Luxury was intuition close eye. I'm still cash, but a friendly for who need a loan. Most do, bank account pretty as Rashida Jones. Know that I still be seeing layups when I see a throne, but nothing about me is hype beast, so I be alone. Moved out of the sty in boy yard space, but still dressed like I'm outside ducking the car chase. Still a black fist in the air, quick as a heart rate. Nikes over Yeezys, Kaepernick over Kanye. Say that I'm half Trace Styles, half 8 Mile. Doctor said I couldn't make miles until I made miles. Glorious, like Pete on an SP, calling this a 95 dream come true with no doors on it, right? Yeah, I'm that side of the wave, off that side of the page. If you act out of your place, keep it glorious, right?
Black people,
yeah,
a rap legend.
keep it glorious, right?
We getting dope.
Please do. Troy did. Yeah. Welcome to the rebirth of the city, baby. Retropolitan. SK. And PR. From the 718 to the 914. So you know what we on if you should try and get involved. Yeah. It's a love letter and a wake-up call to the city. All at the same time. We invite y'all to this Retropolitan shit. Yeah.